So we've just gone a little bit south from where the stones were. I'll put the location on the map, and there's loads of parking spaces around here. There's no phone signal here whatsoever, guys. If you come down here, be prepared to read a book or something like that.
Take me away from home, away from
We did at first go to the reservoir because we wanted to get parked up near the water down there by the reservoir. There's signs everywhere, no motorhomes, camper vans, so that was a little bit of a disappointment. So we've just come down to this location. It's still quite picturesque. We're not too far off of the road. I'll say there is car parking spaces, big car parking spaces, and we saw this little road and managed to find a bit with a bit of grass. So everything's set up. You see there's a lovely little meandering river going on down the bottom here, and then keep following it around, you'll see a great big car park down there, so it does attract quite a few visitors. There's signs of van life here, motorhome, picnics. It's not just that, picnics, people in cars as well, there is signs of that here. A few burnt out barbecues, little disposable barbecues that haven't been disposed of. Bloody people. So it does seem quite it's a busy road at the moment. Hopefully it'll all quiet down in a bit. Choice for dinner tonight is fried spam and bread, spam sandwich, nice fried slivers, nachos, which I think's winning at the moment, to be fair. And we was meant to go to a campsite today to do our washing and get provisions and anything like that, but we've decided to give Dartmoor another night. It's really nice.
Just too beautiful to leave. It's gorgeous here. Just proper English countryside.
And motorbikes.
And motorbikes. And cars and motorhomes, and there's a few children that they weren't on the agenda.
I'm sure it'll quiet down later. It's just it's what it is, isn't it? Don't tap me on the head. But yeah, picturesque location. Love it. Toasties.
Toasties. Not any old toasty. We've got cheddar. I've got medium. Tony's got mature. We got brie, and we got ham.
No mature cheddar comments either. Stephen Godfrey. If you could guarantee the weather, would you ever leave the UK? There's a question. Oh, what's going on here then?
Ludo o'clock.
All the soldiers are out.
Soldiers are out. The Coke is ready.
Coke.
Coca-Cola is ready.
Better. We're not them type of van lifers.
No. We are Ludo playing van lifers. We're very cool and down with the kids.
Yeah, we're just down with the kids, innit? Yeah. So, it's early evening, the sun's still out, so why not have a game of Ludo? Solar's charging everything up. Very nice. Right, there is one thing missing from that table.
Chocolate?
Doritos. Claire would be quick here. She's just gone off to take a couple of snaps. If you get it right, it goes like the top of creme brulee. If you get it wrong, you're in deep trouble. I'll ask you this: is there a difference between the pink mellows and the white ones? I don't know. But they're so blimmin' nice when they're cooked. And this little thing, I won't be without it now. So it's a great bit of kit for nights like this. The temperature's really dropping. Just take the chill off the air before we turn it in. Still a lot of cars buzzing up and down. Hopefully eventually they'll run out of petrol.
Morning cup of tea.
Good morning from a cracking location. Slept really well, went to bed early last night just as well. We've had kids turn up this morning and their car blasting up music on a Sunday morning, but never mind. And it started about 5:30, 6 o'clock. There you go. Win some, lose some. But apart from that, I'd say it didn't really bother us too much because we got such a good night's sleep. But what a beautiful day, or start of the day, that's for sure. That road noise did bother me a little bit to begin with, to be fair, because we were in bed so early. You was always going to get passing traffic. So there you go. What a gorgeous scene to wake up to, though, with a bit of morning mist.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Established in 1951, Dartmoor National Park is a vast moorland in the county of Devon, covering an area of some 954 square kilometres. With forests, rivers, wetlands and tors, the famed Dartmoor ponies roaming the craggy landscape, it is a beautiful and peaceful place to explore. The area is dotted with quaint little villages, Neolithic tombs and Bronze Age stone circles.
Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
Buddy, let's get you wrapped up.
So we're in the little seaside port of Gorran, just past Mavic. We did go down to Mavic, but there's a big road closure. None of the car parks are open that could take a motorhome or Freddie size van. So we had to have a little bit of a detour. Followed the detour and we've ended up here. Very picturesque little place. And we've just got an hour's car parking. We need to push on and find a camping spot or a campsite because we need the showers and facilities. A real pretty little place. I think if you've gone to Mavic, you've made the right choice. There's not that much here, not many amenities. There's a toilet, but yeah, it's very picturesque. It's very pretty.
Tiny little fishing village, isn't it?
Hmm.
It's all, I like all the colours.
Pretty old fishing town, hey?
Mm.
Yeah, cute little place. If you visit, you visit. If you don't, you don't. I'm sure there's plenty of, or plenty similar villages just like this, all dotted around the coast, we've yet to discover.
Yeah.
So, what do you think of that?
I think it's really sweet. It's a really lovely, quiet bay. I think if you've got very small children, that bay's ideal. It's shallow, it's really calm, the water, obviously it's a calm day, but kids were swimming right out amongst the boats. It was crystal clear, as you'd expect around here. And I say, tiny little bay, so yeah, ideal if you don't want the shops or lots of things to do, you just bring in a picnic. Perfect.
And you don't want the kids going, can I have, can I have, can I have?
Mum,
Yeah.
please. Yeah, no.
That's the place to go. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think that's the perfect breakfast on the beach type of place. If you want to bring your own breakfast, go for an early morning swim, I think that's your bay.
So guys, we've made it to our campsite for the next day or so, just to get all the washing through the wash, get our laundry sorted out before we then go and hit the road again. It gives us a complete reset. We charge all the batteries up, all the camera gear, the drone, the laptop, everything. It just gives us that big bit of reset before we go. I'll put this campsite on the map. It's a caravan and camping club site. So not the cheapest. This was £31 for us to stay here. But as I say, we're going to make full use of their facilities.
We did have a bit of a disaster with the campsite, didn't we?
Yeah, for the first time, guys, for the first time in all of our travels, we pulled onto a touring campsite that was advertised as being open. There's loads of people on the actual site,
yeah,
wasn't
there
there?
were people on there, but it was about half full, wasn't it?
Yeah, not even half. I wouldn't even said half full.
You know, plenty of people on there, but not, you know, certainly not filled to the brim. And they said they were open, and we went in and we had to ring a doorbell thing, and instead of coming to the door, they just answered the doorbell and said
Ring.
no.
Yeah, it was the ring system, so they just answered the door. I said no, we're not taking vacancies today.
No
explanation.
reason, no explanation, just no.
So there you go. Right, anyway, let's go and get squared up. So we're just about to leave the campsite. We've done no filming whilst on here because it's just a campsite. It's very clean, it's very well managed. I've put the what 3 words, it's on the map here. So if you're in the area and you're stuck and you do need a campsite, then come onto here. Toilets are clean, facilities are good. It is what it is. Yeah, really good. No need to do a review. It is what it is. And it served the purpose what we needed it for, which was to get ourselves clean and some of our clothes clean. So that's all done. It's time to now go and find a park up back out in the Cornish wild somewhere. I have no idea. I think we're going to go north. Instead of following the coast round south, we're going to head to the north and then make our way back south before heading back out. So let's see how we get on.
That you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.